And welcome to this session. My name is Mohammed Idriss. I'm a senior solution architect with Red Hat. Today I'll be talking about the Red Hat Open Hybrid Cloud strategy and the benefits of this strategy in building new data centers or what we call it next generation data centers. And at the same time, I will highlight how this approach can help in building the new cloud native applications to run on different cloud environments. As you all know, Red Hat is a leader in the open source space, and all our products coming from open source. And we help these communities to grow, actually, because we believe that all the innovation is happening in the open source to help the customers in building and developing their digital transformation plan. If we look at the organizations nowadays, most of these organizations, they do have a digital transformation plans, or they have started. Some of them, they are leading in this space. And to keep responding to the new challenges and new customer requirements or the business requirements, you do need to have an agile way of doing things. You need to be resilient. And most importantly, you want to take away all the blockers from your way to respond to business requirements. There are a lot of blockers here. Some of them are related to talent, some of it related to skills and budgets and other aspects. But there are one of the biggest requirements for customers nowadays that we at Red Hat believe it's the game changer in building the new next generation clouds, where we believe that the next generation cloud should be resilient and should be a hybrid model, should follow the hybrid model where you can move your applications across different clouds. And that's what actually our customers told us about their plans and strategies, that they are looking to have a hybrid cloud model to build their applications, to develop their applications, and to run them. If we look at the Red Hat vision in building the next generation cloud, what we call it the open hybrid cloud, is that we believe that the foundation of all the cloud native applications and the next generation cloud should be relying on a robust environment or a robust platform like Red Hat operating system, Linux operating system, and you can run these on different platforms, whether it's physical servers, virtual servers, private cloud, public cloud, or even at the edge. So you need to have a solution that can run across the spectrum. And on top of that, you can run your applications and move these applications across these different clouds. On top of that, once you have your applications or you have your environment ready, you need to give your developers the tools, the tool chain they need to manage, to build, and to actually to develop these applications and run it anywhere. Even the capability of developing one application on one platform and run it on a different platform. And bearing in mind that management and automation should be part of this, of this strategy, because to respond to the business needs quickly, it is important to see, to have a static way of doing things through automation. The open hybrid cloud is the architecture of the future, and everyone today, if you look at all the vendors, they are looking at it. And we at Red Hat, we have started this long time back, and we are delivering this today. Look at the main pillars of our open hybrid cloud strategy. We have three main pillars. The main pillar, one of the main pillars is to have a hybrid cloud infrastructure, which is could be your private cloud or public cloud, where this environment helps you to manage these cloud centrally and holistically, and have the capabilities to develop what we call the cloud native applications and run these applications across these clouds. And bearing in mind that the management and automation is a key pillar here in managing and running these applications. bear in mind that in our strategy, Linux is the foundation of this strategy, and it is the main one of the main pillars as well. If we look at the Red Hat portfolio, we have a really comprehensive portfolio of products, starting from the bottom, which is the operating system, and which can run anywhere on private or public cloud. Then we have our Red Hat virtualization platform and Red Hat OpenStack, which is the private cloud environment. On top of that, we can run our OpenShift container platform to develop your cloud native applications. And we have the advanced cluster management that helps you to manage all the applications on different clouds or in different environment, whether you are running multiple private clouds or multi-public clouds or hybrid cloud, so you can have a holistic view across all the applications. And on top of this, we have the runtimes and the integration tools that your applications need and your developers need to manage these applications or develop these applications. We also have the automation as part of this process to automate the whole story. If we look at the the advantage here in building the new data centers, is that we have the whole portfolio up to the to the application level and the integration level. And if you look at the strategy we have, that is that we have, as I mentioned, the Red Hat Linux as the foundation of this strategy, and OpenShift is the container platform that run on one of our virtualization or private cloud environment or any public cloud environment. And on top of that, we provide the storage solution that can scale or spread across different zones, multiple zones, in order to give you the agility and the capabilities to span your applications across multiple zones and provide different type of technologies, storage technologies, whether it's block, file, and object, to manage and run your structured and unstructured applications. And this is a visual representation how the final solution will look like if you are managing bare metal or public cloud environments, where you can manage these applications across different locations, different cloud, and different technologies or platforms. We look at the benefits of the Red Hat Open Hybrid Cloud. This is an IDC study showing the business value of Red Hat Hybrid Cloud infrastructure, where we have a massive ROI over 5 years, 661. We can share this report after the session, and it's worth mentioning the extra values, like benefits like in speeding up developments of new applications and reducing the planned downtime and the efficiency in running the IT applications and managing the IT teams. If you look at the whole spectrum, or the landscape, this is a CNCF landscape of the vendors that are actually involved in building the cloud native applications. There are more than 400 vendors in this on this landscape, and it's challenging to customers to manage, to be agile with having multiple vendors. And it's very important to know that we at Red Hat, we have one solution, one vendor that gives you all the capabilities of most of these solutions in the market. It's one solution, one vendor support that enables you to have an open hybrid cloud strategy to run your application across multiple cloud without really the need to have additional vendors. Thank you for joining us. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the event. Thank you very much.